Hey guys, this is Aryan Mingari right here in the world of Arduino. So guys, I welcome you back to the channel World of Arduino. So today what we're going to do is that today we're going to do TinkerCad. TinkerCad of what exactly? TinkerCad of servo motor. So now what I'm going to exactly do is that we're going to take an Arduino, connect the wires to the servo, run the code, and let us see will the servo rotate. Okay, so we are in the basic component stage. This is the circuit. So we are just going to search and drag in Arduino board right here. This is the board. So we are dragged in right here. Now the next step will be to drag in the micro servo. Okay, uh, just give me a second, please. Yeah, this one. So this is called as the micro servo. Okay, so now let me just explain you guys a little bit before we start. The black wire that you see right here, right, the wire that you see right here at this end, this means any wire that shall be connected to that end of the particular wire, it should always be connected to the ground right here, because this indicates ground. This wire indicates power, meaning it should be connected to the 5-volt supply, and this should be connected to any of the analog pins here. Any of the digital PWM right here, you can connect it to anywhere here. Okay, that is a signal. Okay, signal numbers. So let's just start. So suppose if I'm connecting the ground button, suppose if I'm connecting the ground button right to the ground here, and let me just take it into uh, yeah uh, black color. Okay, great. Now we take the second one, that is the 5-volt, connected to the power right there, red. I hope that you guys are able to see, because uh, let me just connect this properly. 5 volts, yes, true. Now then we are going to take the next one, that is the signal. Okay, so signal we can connect right here to the D8 and give this as yellow. So now we have connected the hardware procedures right here. You can connect wires in any manner, but make sure that they are connected to the right point there in the servo motor. So let's have a look at the code. Now to have a look on the code, what we will do is that we'll just go to text, because we don't need blocks, and to require the text, what we can do is that I already have a code that I have written, so I'll just paste it right here. Okay, so this is the code that I have written. So the code states that we have to include the servo, right, and the angle will be equal to 10. That is the code format. And then what the servo will do, that it will scan from 0 to 180 degrees. So from 180 degree it will again take a turn, so it will repeat the process, right, and delay by 15 seconds, so there will be a stop of 15 seconds, and then again it will rotate, right. You can see right here, 180 to 0, 0 to 180, 180 to 0, 0 to 180, so it will repeat like that. Okay, so now let us just try to start the simulation. So as you can see, the simulation has started, and we can see right here that the servo is rotating, and that's a great sign of servo being rotating, since the servo is getting the required amount of current, the required amount of supply, and it's moving from 0 to 180, stopping there, coming back from 180 to 0, 0 to 180, 180 to 0, right. So this is how we have done the virtual simulation of a servo motor. In the next video, I'm going to display the physical one, which we will be doing by our hands, which we have the Arduino board, have physical hardware, and the micro servo motor and the jumper wires as well. Okay, so guys, thank you for watching my video, and if you like my video, please hit the like button, share button, and do subscribe to my YouTube channel. Thank you.